we are very happy to be part of this organization. So we really like to be here, as we always try to support our best partners, Atlas, Academix, and Eğitim, and this, which is great to be here to meet with our counselors, which is really important for us as a school to be has a relationship with them, and from all over Turkey, from all other branches to be here, over 130 counselors. And the organization was really nice, and it was really well organized, and we liked table setup and schedule the programs, and especially for the gala dinner. And thank you so much for all your help, and we always support each other, and I believe we will going to be attending next years, and I hope to see you all again. Thank you.